Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm excited because we're going to be unboxing Pet Sematary. This is the 4K edition from Best Buy. I believe FYE also has a version, but theirs is only a Blu-ray version, and it comes with a poster, I believe. And I think that's the only difference besides the 4K in the poster. Oh, and then the price is $19.99 at FYE, and then at Best Buy I got this one for $25.99, I think. Yeah, and this is a Mondo steelbook as well. I really like these because they give you like a little protective case for the steelbook. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this. I'm excited about this one because this is one of my favorite horror movies from when I was a kid. I used to watch a lot of horror movies when I was a kid. This is the first time that they have it on 4K, so I'm excited to see how that's gonna transfer out. But yeah, like I was saying, this is a Mondo, so here you can see the protective case on it. Here's the back. I don't know if you guys can see any of the features that it has for the 30th anniversary. Alright, let's slide this out. Sliding out, you can see that this is part of the case as well. Nothing there. There's that. And then as for the steelbook, none of this is embossed or debossed. This is a matte type finish, and it's a glossy up here. The eyes. Trying to help you guys see the lighting. And then you have the spine, and I thought this was really neat right here. This is a little knife that the little boy uses to cut his grandpa's Achilles tendon. And this is number 37 for the Mondo edition. Here's the back. Same thing. Matte, and then I think all this is like glossy. This is the Pet Sematary. And then, oh, and here's pretty cool. Sometimes dead is better. I didn't notice that. It's pretty neat. Make sure there's nothing else anywhere. Just cereal down there. Here's the inside of it. Here's the 4K disc. That scalpel again. Look at that. And guessing the, well, I don't think this is the Blu-ray. It's just, oh yeah, it is a Blu-ray as well. Sorry. And this one, I guess, has the special features just like the blue or the 4K. Here's the artwork on the inside. Don't want to spoil it, but that is a spoiler there. Very nice. It's a metallic-y, I think. You guys can see that. And then here we have the full steelbook. But yeah, I'm really excited about this one. I really like it.